Fixing paper pickup errors in the HP OfficeJet Pro 7720, 7730, and 7740 wide format all-in-one printer series. Poor paper quality or incorrectly loaded paper can cause the printer to not pick up or feed paper. Slide the input tray out of the printer. Remove all paper and any possible obstructions from the input tray, including torn pieces of paper and foreign objects. Use a flashlight and check inside the input tray area for obstructions. Examine the paper you removed from the input tray and remove any pieces that are bent, wrinkled, torn, or a different size or type. Band the stack of paper to prevent sheets from sticking together, and then align the corners. Load the paper into the input tray. Do not exceed the maximum fill line. Slide the paper width and length guides inward until they touch the edge of the paper. Do not slide the guides in so tightly that they bend the paper. Slide the input tray into the printer. On the printer control panel, touch OK to confirm the size and type of paper, or touch Modify to adjust the settings to match the paper you loaded. Try to print a document. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Dust and debris on the paper feed roller can cause paper feed issues. Cleaning the roller can help prevent and resolve these issues. To clean the roller, you need a clean, lint-free cloth, cotton swabs, and distilled or bottled water. Alcohol and other chemical cleaners can damage the rollers. Turn off the printer, then disconnect any cables from the back. Warning: turn off the printer and disconnect it from the power source to avoid injury or damage to the printer. On the rear access door, squeeze the two tabs and then lower the door. Dampen a cotton swab with water and remove any excess with a clean, lint-free cloth. Locate the gray paper pick roller inside the printer. Remove any buildup or debris on the gray part of the roller by swiping the damp swab from side to side. Turn the roller and clean its entire surface. Allow the roller to dry for 10 minutes. Close the rear access door and push it until it snaps back into position. Reconnect the power cord to the printer and then reconnect any other previously connected cables. Turn on the printer. Try to print a document. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Resetting the printer can help resolve printer errors. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord. Unplug the other end of the power cord from the power source. Wait at least 60 seconds. Plug the power cord into a wall outlet. Reconnect the other end of the power cord to the printer. The printer turns on automatically. If it does not, press the power button. Try to print a document. If the error persists, continue to the next step. If you have completed all the steps and the error remains, the printer might need to be serviced. Your options for service might vary, depending on how long you have owned the printer and what country you live in. Contact HP to find out the support options for your printer.